Hi everyone, it's Helen here from Helen Chapman Handmade Crafts, and welcome to my Stamping for Beginners series. This is lesson 7, believe it or not. If you've joined me for the previous 6 lessons, thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed them, hope you found them useful. I hope you're getting some good results from your stamping. If you haven't seen the previous editions, then you can pop back out and watch any of them at any time. You can find them all on my YouTube channel. They've got slightly different thumbnails to my project type videos, so you should be able to find them. There are blog posts that go along with each video as well, and that just has a little bit more information. Occasionally it's sort of just a summary, so that if you just want to go back to some of that information, you don't have to watch the entire video again. Hopefully that is useful. Also, if I feature any specific products, there'll be links to take you to the Stampin' Up shop to browse or to purchase. So take advantage of those. Today's lesson is all about embossing. Now, there's different types of embossing, and we're going to cover all of them, I think, unless there's any that I've forgotten about, but I don't think so. We're going to look at embossing with folders and a couple of different techniques that you might not have seen before for that. We're going to look at heat embossing, and we're going to have a look at how you can heat emboss so that you are kind of faux embossing any colour of ink that you have. That's quite interesting, quite an exciting little tip if you've not seen that before. And finally, we will have a quick look at embossing paste and how to use it. And if you didn't see my lesson on inks, we'll have a look at colouring embossing paste before you use it as well. So I'm going to flip the camera over and we can make a start. See you in a minute.